Francine, you were unusually quiet this evening. Is that going to be a new thing? I like it.
Stan, I'm late for my period.
Maybe if you jump up and down, get things started.
I might be pregnant.
What? How is that possible? I got a vasectomy.
You got some sort of weird automated Japanese vasectomy, and you've never done anything about the 30 recall postcards they sent us.
No! This is a disaster. I don't want another child. I just took the safety latches off the toilet seats.
Ah, I'm drowning!
Listen, I don't want a baby either. Trading sushi and bourbon for hemorrhoids and swollen boobs? Screw that!
What are we going to... Francine, can we move this conversation to the top of the staircase?
It's too early to push me down the stairs, Stan. I'm not even sure if I'm pregnant. I'll take a pregnancy test.
Well, if you're gonna take a pregnancy test, you're gonna have to pee. Let me get you some water.
I'll get my own water.
Damn.
Hey, Dad, how brave is this? I have less than 10% battery life, and I just started an email.
Jeez, Mr. S. Nailing your daughter makes me super hungry.
Let's not talk about sex. I'm pissed at sex. Francine might be pregnant.
What?
I can't handle another child chipping away at the heroic Smith name.
Well, you never know. My dad, for some reason, thinks I'm an idiot, but he loves my younger brother.
I hadn't thought of that. Yes, the new baby could be the son I never had.
Alive over here.
He could be brave and have my back. I'll name him something strong. Steve.
Already named Steve over here.
We'll change your name. You can call yourself Eve, like the douche.
Jeff! I'm ready to go again!
Whoa, I'm tired. Anyone else want to tag in?